Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80244022. So if you're getting this error, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to run Windows Troubleshooters. So open settings, click on system, scroll down, then click on troubleshoot, and then click on other troubleshooters, and then next to Windows Update, click on Run and wait for the process to get complete. And if you find Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter over here, then click on the Run button next to Windows Store Apps option as well. And then you can check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then fix 2 is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So press Windows plus R key and in the Run box type wsreset and then click on OK. Just wait. It will reopen your Microsoft Store and then you can go ahead and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then fix 3 is to check date and time. Make sure your system date and time is accurate, as incorrect settings can cause connection failures with Microsoft servers. So right click on this time and date in the system tray and then click on adjust date and time, and make sure here date and time is correctly configured. If the date and time is not correctly configured, then configure it and then check. Fix 4 is to run SFC and DISM scan. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type 2 code one by one. First copy this code. I will provide this CMD code in my video description. Paste it over here and then hit enter. Just wait, this process will take some time, so please wait. Now in my case the result has been shown Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation, but in your case if it find any corrupt files or any issues, then it will tell you how to repair it, and then you can follow the on-screen instruction to repair the corrupted files or repair any issues. And then you can go ahead and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then copy the second code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now please wait. It will again take some time. And once this complete, then you can go ahead and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then the last solution is to reset the PC but keep my files option. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, scroll down, then click on recovery, and then under the recovery options click on reset PC. And then select the option keep my files. This will only remove apps and settings, but it will keep your personal files. So select this keep my file option and then you can click on local reinstall and then follow the on-screen instruction to reinstall the Windows. And after reinstalling the Windows, you can go ahead and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Microsoft Store error 0x80244022 problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.